Welcome to testing creepy fire alarms alone in the dark part 2. I filmed the first video about a year ago and I got so much positive feedback on that video that I figured today we're going to do something similar for this test. So I have a new set of creepy fire alarms that we're going to be sounding shortly in the dark all alone. But first, let me go and show you what they are. This is a Fire-Lite MS9200 UDLS addressable fire alarm control panel, the heart of the fire alarm system. And then below it is the Wheelock SafePath voice evacuation amplifier panel. This is what allows me to play those special files through the speakers on the fire alarms. And speaking of fire alarms, let me go ahead and show you what we have. This is a system sensor CHSW Chime strobe, and it's set on whoop tone. It's nice and squeaky, high-pitched, loud, and it's a little bit creepy, so you'll hear that in just a second. The alarm in the middle is the Edwards G1WA-VMA Amber Strobe. It's wired into the special pull station, and the brightness setting, also known as the candela for the strobe, is set on its D setting. You may notice that is a letter and not a number. A is actually 110 candela, B is 75, C is 30, and D is 15. The way the candela is rated on these amber strobes is actually different from clear strobes as far as UL. And that is because the amber filter on these strobes will actually take away from the brightness a little bit. So 110 candela on this amber strobe is actually about 88 candela on a clear strobe. And 15 candela, which this strobe is currently set on, is actually about 12 candela on a clear strobe. Fun little fact right there. Going over, we have a Gentex SSPK24WL-PR speaker strobe. This is where our special audio files will be coming out of today. And you can see on that little wheel right there, it is set on its 15 candela setting. There's only one major change with the pull station since the last system test, and that is that I have up the Signal Communications SG-42CXK1 dual action tornado pull station. And I figured I would install this because the tone that will play once I pull this pull station kind of sounds like 3 different tornado sirens sounding all at the same time. It's definitely an eerie sound, as with the other audio file for the fire alarm system. So you're going to get to hear all of that in just a second. Here we go. Yeah, that was enough creepy fire alarm testing for today. Lights are coming back on. It was definitely a challenge to find the keys and make sure I have the keys in the right direction and reset all the pull stations. It was definitely a challenge for me to do that as the person holding the camera. I should absolutely do something like this for Halloween. I don't know why I haven't done that in the past, but perhaps this year I'll come up with something even more creative. But for now, check out some of my other videos, rate, comment, and subscribe, and please have a great day.